scary movie.
Yo guys, what's up today? We're back with another video on today.
Oh my god, stop new
Christmas
animation.
2025 update.
They
added
Jason the 15th.
Where's the new skis at? Where did you find the new
Aw,
skis?
man. Hey, Lou, what's your favorite scary movie? They added them back in the old another. Hey.
Okay, older. I don't care.
Was there nothing? Everything looks so different.
What button do you press it?
Grab the snowballs, they're new.
This is a update.
Hey teenager, what's your favorite
Bro.
scary movie?
Like the big
I have all these baboons.
Teenager, what's your
did I
favorite
go
scary
teens?
movie?
Happy they brought the present back.
You should wanna run.
I'm just gonna keep them, I don't really care.
Monster, you said.
Who wants to? Oh my god, there's so much shipping containers. Whoa, do you like
I'm
Scream?
gonna just go in
Coming out
mine.
with the Scream
See if
7.
there's any monster.
Why the fuck is there still snow in here? What?
What's your favorite scary movie? Scream!
Yeah, mine is Scream too.
Distorting. Or is it? You want to see this?
Explode.
Alright, let's see close up of this.
Hold up.
Well,
I think
well,
I've
it's a
seen
better
this
one.
in 2024 Christmas update.
Cause Scream is right behind you, and he here is about to kill you now. I don't see you.
Wreck open.
Oh no.
I don't like this new one.
And my second
Who said that?
is Stranger Things. It's Stranger Things.
What's that? Yo, who said?
My second thing is Stranger Things.
What that?
It's bad.
How'd you get to get?
We
I
don't
think
use anymore.
Everything they
for
could.
circus
It's bad.
forest.
I think that's
Bro, remember when the RPG was like the rarest
Oh,
item?
there's so much people. What the heck?
Bro, in the lake war.
What? Everybody, there's a lake war. No, what the heck? What the heck? I'm running away.
Lake war, everybody gets together.
Lake war.
Use the OG items, only OG.
Oh, get juice.
Lake war.
Wait, let me get the present. Let me
Go
get
for the
the present.
present! Bro,
Let me get the present. No, don't.
So we have
that
war in
little
the lake.
big little bee.
there's more than they could. I don't like the FNAF.
Bro, that was so crazy.
Bro did not know the old up. I'm not talking to her. I'm
Hey,
talking about the guy
Hey, you
that
want guys
doesn't know
want to kill
what
him?
war like.
Hey,
In your people's heads, I was new to
Let me out.
I got this one. Guys, look.
Okay, the ogre is not gonna know this.
You're a thief.
Wait, it actually kills him. Oh wait, wait, the monsters are not in
Hey,
mines
guess what?
anymore.
Look.
Cause I know what happened. I know what happened. The monsters,
Hey, you.
there's no
Where's that
monsters
teenager?
anymore. The monsters are
Oh,
in
oh no,
lake
it's red,
now.
like green. Like green, like it.
Bro, that's so unfortunate.
It's
Guess what?
You can't even get snowballs anymore.
Oh my god. Bro, the monitors
Wait,
might
no,
fuck
okay.
the monitors. Come back.
I love this update.
Remember the
update, No!
I was getting arrested by the monsters first though.
Hook shot.
On everything.
It's still. Oh no! Hold up.
Do you like my setup? Yeah, come on, go.
Oh, we're using good old
I
RPG.
better not lose this.
Oh, cool,
I'm not
okay.
spending any money.
The good old RPG, man. The good old RPG.
Wait, all the monsters
I
are
nuked
destroyed.
I nuked them. Bro, what? Does anyone have a revolver?
No!
Bro, go to lake.
Bro, this update's the hardest update ever.
This update is the greatest.
It's already cool by the
It's a
time
bonus
we go to
update.
lake.
No.
Yeah, that's the OG present flag.
It's not the funnest update anymore.
Is that the present that was trying to spawn monsters?
Of course I got good.
Do not get it.
Can anyone buy me a grappler? Can anyone?
Bro, chill. Do you like it? Do you like it?
Oh, down.
Bro, I'll call him the stick.
Snowballs.
Bro, I keep...
I'm going to war.
There's a mimic.
Good
Stupid
On a
mimic
mansion.
is dum dum. Why is the spider here?
Yeah, it's still
We're gonna kill you.
Wait, I'm gonna check on the heart.
I'm gonna check on the heart, bro. I'm gonna check on the heart.
See what happens.
I mean, yeah, apart from the hall.
Guys, where's
From Haunted Mansion. The heart from Haunted Mansion.
Does anyone want to buy my forearms?
There's no point.
There's no point.
There's
in
no
trying.
more monsters in forest. That is so windy.
Things are... It's
I
still
just
here?
want the crate.
It's still here. Oh my god. The haunted
No.
forest is
Big
still
lip.
here.
Freddy.
You telling... In forest.
Freddy. Oh no. Why did I do that? I'm so dumb.
I still control them. Yo, it's
Wait, are you
Jack.
controlling this one?
Can anyone buy me a grappler?
I'm controlling this one, so see, look.
Hey, no!
Where's the
Who's
grab?
controlling this one?
A hook shot! I need a hook shot!
Wait, can anybody buy me a hook shot? Can you buy me a hook shot?
Happened.
Did anybody buy? I don't have enough money for one. Did anybody buy me 3 big bucks? Could anybody buy me? Somebody buy me a hook shot. Does anybody have any items? Can you buy me a hook shot? Can you buy me a hook shot, please?
No.
Wait, I know this.
Does anybody have any items? Oh wait, I have an idea. Can you buy me a big bag? Can you buy me a big bag?
Oh my god, I did an RPG.
That's
But
not.
we gotta stay for... We got...
Yo, what's up, Prickly? Give me more items. Give me more items as you can.
Go
Everyone,
out
give
there,
me
I
more
want you
items.
to
Donate
go out there, I
me.
want you
Donate
to
me. What the update?
Go up there at the same time, I want you to push that
Because I'm almost about to be broke on ammo.
Hey, go out there. Go out there.
no.
I want to show you my
I
shit.
can finally make my dreams.
Look what I have. What?
Yo,
you ready?
Red, I'm gonna
Wait.
keep giving you snowballs.
God.
Red, I'm gonna give you
Somebody
Anyway.
sell me. Somebody sell me. Sell me. It's Christmas. Wait, oh my god, you can kill people in the sell machine now.
Oh wait, I forgot you.
You know, guys, you
can.
can kill people. Wait, let's go to lake. Can anyone buy me a hook
sorry.
shot? That's it?
You told me I
Really?
could.
Seriously? Can somebody buy me a hook shot?
You selling me?
Hey, can you buy me a hook shot? Can you buy me a hook shot?
That's
Wait,
totally...
guys, do you know
Chocolate egg.
Water monsters is late! Water monsters!
It's a monster war, whatever it is. Monster war! Bro, it's the lake war, bro. Not lake war. Lake war. Oh, man.
Hey, can I have that hook shot, please, Blue? Please, Blue, can I have that hook shot? Thank you! I'm going to lake! Everyone, let's go to lake!
Right back to Yoshi, you know what those monsters are like.
These the OGs!
Can I please have a volunteer
Can
to
you give
become
me-
a
can you
suicide
give
bomber?
me a shot?
Hey, can I have a
Wait,
suit?
bro.
Hey, can I have a volunteer
Bro,
for a
can you
suicide
give me a
bomber?
Yo, black.
Sound high.
Yeah, you volunteer.
And I
Can you
need,
give me
before I do that,
Black,
come
can
here.
you give me
We
a
have a
shot?
problem with the sewing
But what
machine.
happened?
It's kind of broken. Like when I go in here, it makes this.
Blue, can you give me a hook shot?
Oh my god!
It like does that like every single time. I
Go
don't know.
to like...
I can literally see the snowball.
Does
Alright, come
anyone
on.
have
Does
a...
anyone have a hook shot?
Nah.
Hey,
We're
hold
gonna
up.
strap you up.
Wait, do you have a hook shot? Can I have a hook shot?
No. I'm about to. He's gonna turn into a suicide bomber. Are you ready?
Can you give me a hook shot?
You're doing great duty.
I gave you my
wait.
but the very next day, nostalgia just came
Go to
out.
lake!
You're doing a good duty. Wait. One more. I gotta put one more thing on.
Wait.
Hold on. Don't do that.
Yo, I
Don't press
remember
it.
these RPGs. I remember these RPGs and like, wait. Do you have a hook shot?
Yeah,
that's the OG map.
That's gonna be a video. Dude, update
No,
me.
oh my
The
god.
art things anymore.
Oh my god. Join code
That-
TCS.